Good morning, students. Today's our topic is relative density. We have learnt that different substances have different densities. For convenience, scientists have chosen a reference substance with which the densities of different substances can be compared. And this reference substance is water, whose density is at 4 degree centigrade is 1 gram per cubic centimeter. So, the density of a substance with respect to the density of water is known as relative density. It is also called as relative density. So, relative density means we compare the density of a substance with the density of water. So, we can define density as the ratio of the density of the substance to the density of water at 4 degree centigrade. So, we can write it as relative density is equal to density of substance divided by density of water. So, we know density of substance is equal to mass of substance divided by volume, and density of water is mass of water divided by volume. So, when we take the same amount of volume, the volume gets cancelled and the simplified formula becomes mass of substance divided by mass of water. The specific gravity bottle is a special bottle that is used to find out the relative density of a liquid. It is a small glass bottle with a glass stopper. The function and the glass stopper has a fine capillary tube. So, the function of this capillary tube is when it is inserted in the bottle, it oozes out the extra liquid that is in the bottle. Now, how to find out the relative density of liquid using specific gravity bottle? First, we have to take a clean and dried specific gravity bottle. Then, find its mass with the help of a physical balance or beam balance. Let the mass of the empty bottle be m1. Now, take the same bottle, fill it with distilled water and insert the stopper. So, when you insert the stopper, any extra water from the bottle comes out through the capillary tube in the stopper. Now, measure the mass of the bottle with distilled water and we take it as m2. Now, the mass of the water in the bottle is m2 minus m1, where m2 is the mass of bottle plus mass of distilled water. m1 is mass of empty specific gravity bottle. After that, the bottle is emptied, cleaned, dried and filled with a liquid whose relative density is to be determined. The stopper is again inserted so that extra liquid drains out through it. Let the mass of the bottle filled with the liquid be m3. So, now we have the mass of the liquid, that is m3 minus m1. m3 is mass of bottle plus liquid minus m1 mass of empty specific gravity bottle. Since the bottle taken is the same, the volume of the liquid is the same. So we use the formula relative density is equal to mass of substance divided by mass of water, that is equal to m3 minus m1 divided by m2 minus m1. There is another instrument that is used to find the relative density of liquids, that is hydrometer. It is generally made of glass and has a cylindrical stem and a bulb weighed with mercury or lead shots to make it float upright. So this is the stem and this is the mercury. So when the mercury is filled, it becomes heavy and it freely floats on the liquid. So it contains a scale inside the stem. The stem is containing a scale. Using this we can read the relative density of the liquid. Now the liquid to be tested is poured in a graduated cylinder and hydrometer is lowered into the liquid until it floats freely. The point at which the surface of the liquid touches the stem of the hydrometer is noted and the value of the scale is read, and this reading gives the relative density of the liquid.